closest to the table. I bring that straight down and line up all 4 fingers along the spinal reflex point. As many times as I have personally done Raindrop, I still like to check where my fingers are. If you don't check, then maybe your fingers will go across the foot if you just put them like this, and that's about the area that we want to address. It's actually the spinal reflex point of the foot. I drop the palm of my hand on top of the foot, start with the pad, go to the tip, all the way over to the nail, and pull back to the pad. Pad tip nail, and I pull back to the pad, all the way over, all the way back. I work 1 finger at a time off of the big toe, and then I turn and do the roll and release technique on the big toe with the index finger. Each time before going down the foot, I circle clockwise 3 times, picking up more oil, bringing up the energy. I make the same measurement, line up the fingers. Start with the pad, go to the tip, all the way over to the nail. The energy for this technique actually comes from the tips of the fingers. And when we go over to the nail, that is our grounding point. Okay, then we pull back to the pad. As I mentioned before, this was formerly called the VitaFlex technique, and VitaFlex has been around for many, many years. We have several different VitaFlex points on our bodies, and with the Raindrop, we address the spinal points with the VitaFlex. What this roll and release technique may do is help release any energy blockages that we might have in the body. Okay, when we've finished with the right foot 3 times, I next place my right hand on the receiver's left foot. I place 2 to 3 drops of the thyme oil in the palm of that hand. With the fingertips of the left hand, I circle clockwise